everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So I'm following up on a few requests to do styling joggers in a dressy way. And I have several pairs of joggers that I do tend to dress up. Sometimes I make them more casual, but I tend to dress them up a little bit. And I'll show you how I dress them up or plan to wear them dressed up. Just letting you know that my mind is more on spring and summer right now. I'm gonna maybe mix it up and do some dressier with winter items or in between items, but for the most part, I'm thinking I'm leaning towards spring and summer right now because I'm looking forward to it. So first outfit, I just received this top in my Trendsend. It's just a lightweight knit, shell with a turtleneck or mock neck, like a t-shirt material. And I paired them with these satin joggers that I got at Banana Republic Factory Outlet. And many of you have asked me how I would style purses. I would use this purse. This purse is Vince Camuto that I actually got from a Stitch Fix when it was on sale. Shoes, I have my Sanctuary shoes that I got from Nordstrom. And many people have said to me, oh, those look painful. These shoes are not painful whatsoever. They're quite comfortable and a very modest heel. So I have no problem with these shoes whatsoever. And this is one way in this monochromatic look how I would style these particular pair of joggers to going out to dinner. All right. And that is my first styling dressy joggers outfit. Give me a minute and I'll show another pair that I have. Okay, up next are these level 99 joggers in midnight camo. So these have a very, very subtle camo print that you can barely see. So they're almost black, but it's very, very subtle. Paired with them, I got a pair of shoes that are from Stitch Fix, one of their in-house brands I got last year, my stylist sent me. And I am using just my regular everyday Coach purse. And my top is from White House Black Market with these statement sleeves. And this is an outfit that I've actually worn numerous times in the past. And this is how I would style this dressy jogger outfit. I think this is perfectly acceptable to wear out for an evening for dinner. Okay, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next outfit. Okay, next up I have a pair of animal print, although it is black on black and it's like a coated. So the animal print is like a coated color on a solid pair of black jogger pants by Level 99. I actually purchased these new tags on Poshmark. And I love these. These are very soft and comfortable, very stretchy as all Level 99 joggers are. And they're definitely different and unique and very subtle at the same time. Paired with it, I paired this White House Black Market turtleneck. Let me show you the back cutout. That makes this a night out outfit. And again, I would wear my black Coach purse, which is also my everyday purse with this. And again, because I'm not a huge purse person. I have like one in the basic colors. I don't have a ton of purses. My shoes are also from a Stitch Fix. I believe that these are a dupe of some designer that they put their own name brand on. And yeah, I like these shoes. These are my leopard print shoes. And I think even though this is leopard print and the shoes are leopard print, this print is so subtle that I don't think anybody would say, oh my gosh, your shoes clash with it's too much leopard. I don't think it is a bad look at all. Oh, and I did pair a little bow belt in patent leather from White House Black Market. I kind of felt this outfit needed something around the waist since the top was more form-fitting and I have it front tucked. All right, and this is my other outfit. Stay tuned and I'll try on another one. Okay, jumping back to winter. So this outfit is a Daniel Rain top that I got at a Stitch Fix when I really thought we were returning to the office. This is a pretty top and I seldom wear it. It is a paisley print with some florals in there as well. And it has some metallic thread. I don't know if you can see that or not running through it, but the metallic. And it also has these cute little scallop sleeves. And I've been ignoring this blouse and I feel really bad that I've been ignoring it. So I decided to pair with it these faux leather joggers from, believe it or not, Target. I got them for about 20 bucks a couple years ago. They're in a deep burgundy color, which matches the burgundy in the blouse. With it, I have paired my heeled loafers that I got from Macy's for $35. So this is a pretty inexpensive outfit in comparison to the Daniel Rain top. Do I have a burgundy purse? Actually, I do have a burgundy purse. Hold on. Okay, so the purse is a little bit more business-like being a tote than dressy on a night out. All right, so it really doesn't quite go, but I don't care. If I had it handy, I would grab this. Otherwise, I'd be bringing my trusty black purse because I just don't change purses that often. The one thing I wanted to point out too, if you having a problem styling joggers and making them look dressy or appropriate, you're not quite sure what to do. The one thing I did with these is I put on a belt with this, all right? And the reason why is this has the elastic waist with the drawstring. I tucked the drawstring in and I covered up the elastic waist with the belt, making them look dressier than they are. Because when it starts to look like a sweatpant, it's kind of harder to dress up. But it was pretty easy to just tuck the strings inside and put a belt around it to complete the look. And this is how I would wear this particular jogger outfit. And I think this is also perfectly acceptable to go to a nice dinner for, you know, maybe Valentine's Day or anything else. And give me a minute and I'm gonna try some more on for you. Okay, I'm moving back to summer. So now I have a summer outfit on. This is a bustier top that does have straps. It came from White House Black Market. I chose to wear it strapless because the straps really don't do anything. It zips in the back and it is pretty snug. It has a little scalloped edge here, and as you can see, it has sunflowers all over it, and the leaves are like a greenish, kind of like olive-ish print. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the pattern. Okay. Paired with it are a pair of jogger style, almost like linen-like, from Cloth and Stone. They're very casual and relaxed, and I pair with them some brown Michael Kors sandals and heeled sandals, and I would style with it my Amazon wicker purse. Something like this would be, you know, I live on the Jersey Shore pretty much, and going out to dinner at Oceanside during a summer night, this is what I would wear. All right. And give me a minute. I have one more pair of joggers to style for you. Okay, I've got on my last outfit. So this is a blouse that I got by Trendsend, again, when I really thought we were still going back to the office. It kind of has like a yellowish, greenish color in it and a beige, and it's an abstract type of print. I kind of like this blouse. It's different from what I own. Paired with it a pair of level 99 cargo joggers. Cargo makes them very casual, but I think with the blouse it works. I decided to mix it up and put on my loafer mules that I recently got from Stitch Fix. They're Franco Sardo. And I would again wear my black Coach bag. And this is how I would style my outfit. Again, this is perfectly acceptable to go to dinner in my area. These are how I would dress to live the life I want to live versus the life I am currently living, where I'm stuck in the house every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some inspiration from it. And thank you very much for those that suggested this video. And again, a shout out to my returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care until next time.